I feel you in the room. No witness, no proof, still you tighten like a noose. No witness, no proof, when the lights don't tell the truth. No witness, no proof, my conscience, my only you. I lock it up behind my smile. I make a virtue out of denial. A little theft of trust so clean. I tell myself it's not obscene. In private I'm a careful man, a steady hand, a secret plan. I trade a glance for something more than wipe my fingerprints off the door. Small betrayals, thin as smoke, I swallow hard and never choke. If no one's there to call me out, then it's not real, that's what I'm about. And I love the thrill of the quiet kill in a spotless scene where I stay unseen. No witness, no proof, but I feel you in the room. No witness, no proof, still you tighten like a noose. No witness, no proof, when the lights don't tell the truth. No witness, no proof, my conscience, my only you. I learned to count the ways I bend a lover's vow, a lover's friend. I keep receipts inside my head, then burn the page, leave nothing said. You came to me with open hands, no questions, no demands. A sudden kindness, sharp and bright, it split me open in the night. Your mercy lands like broken glass, and now the past won't let me pass. I try to run in the dark, I try to pray without a heart, but every step I take alone turns into you inside my bones. No witness, no proof, but I feel you in the room. No witness, no proof, still you tighten like a noose. No witness, no proof, when the lights don't tell the truth. No witness, no proof, my conscience, my only you. No loves, no walls, no perfect alibi. Even alone, I can't outrun my mind. No witness, no proof. No witness, no proof.
Work today is broken. Every day, people juggle so many different tools just to get work done.
You give a mercy, you withhold, you pull me close, then you turn cold. I bite my tongue, I take the blame. One more touch to say my name. You give a mercy, you withhold. I come back doing what I'm told. I trade my pride for one last look. I'm hanging off the line you shook. Hey. Count the hours like loose change. I'm not a hero, I don't complain. You set the rules, you move the light. I wait outside your second mind. Alright. You say be good like I'm a dog, then kiss my head and leave a mark. Private vows in a borrowed room, public smiles that don't come soon. You don't say mine when people stare. You keep me folded, kept in spare, and I pretend it's just your way. Mistake, restraint for love, you say, save it. So I bargain with my dignity, half a heart for proximity. If I behave, do I get in? If I don't, next to win. You give a mercy, you withhold. You pull me close, then you turn cold. I bite my tongue, I take the blame. One more touch to say my name. You give a mercy, you withhold. I come back doing what I'm told. I trade my pride for one last look. I'm hanging off the line you shook. Hey. Loving careful sips, like I should thank you for your lips. You keep the door on double chain, a little sweet, a lot of strain. In daylight you don't reach my hand, at night you say you understand. I hear the doubt behind your tone, the fear I'm easy to disown. Yeah. And every time you disappear, I taste replacement getting near. I'm not in love with who you are. I'm hooked on chasing where you are. The almost yes, the maybe soon, a little wind that fills the room. I'm addicted to your not tonight, to being wrong just to be right. So keep your mercy, keep your throne. I'm learning how to walk alone. You give a mercy, you withhold, not anymore. I'm letting go. I bite my tongue, then I unlearn. I watch the bridge and let it burn. You give a mercy, you withhold. I won't come back, I paid it all. You keep your touch, you keep your book. I choose the dark you never took. Hey. I give you nothing to control. comes for free. No, nothing comes for free. You take what you need, and the bill comes back to me. Nothing comes for free. No, nothing comes for free. I kiss the relief. Now I choke on the fee. I said my name with shaking hands. A small escape, a private plan. They said it's just how life will be, but I can read the fine print in me. I walk the deal I made back then. Cheap salvation counted 10% on pleasure, night by night, compounding in the dark. In spite of all the words I learned to say to make the guilt politely stay. My friends call it fate, like a hymn. I call it paper signed on whim. I try to buy my way back out with sorry words I don't believe. Late night vows allowed to shout, but nothing's ever been relieved. The door won't move, the lock just grins. It knows the kind of man I've been. Nothing comes for free.